Hey everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and welcome back for another hair review. Today I am coming at you guys with this beautiful, easy, when I say easy, I mean easy, perfect color for the summer headband wig. This wig was sent over to me from UNice, and I will have all the specs of this wig in the description box, as well as a direct link to UNice Hair to purchase this wig or any other wig if you are interested. This is how the wig came packaged, as well as some goodies, and the wig was well protected as well as well constructed. The reason I love me a headband wig is because I don't always have time to do my hair or prep my hair for a lace wig, and headband wigs come right on time. So I'm just going to take some of this bold hole lace jelly and apply that to my hairline and my edges just to slick everything back. My hair definitely needs to be washed, so headband wigs are an easy fix on days when I'm just running out the house and I want to look cute. So I am going to style up my edges because we want this to be laid and look really cute and natural. And if you guys are not new to my channel, you guys know that my hairline is fine. It's been like this my entire life. So I'm going to take some of the Cream of Nature Black Edge Control just to fill in my edges and make them look a little fuller. Girl, this is my magic trick. You don't want to put too much, but you definitely want to make sure you blend it in so it's not a patch of black sitting in the front of your head. But as you can see, I'm just taking a little bit and working it in. Okay, I had to change my cap because the cap I had on was raggedy. And this was the first one I saw. I should have used the one that was in the package. But now I'm just going to take the combs and insert them into my hair. Push the cap back a little bit and then just insert the combs in the middle and on both sides. Okay, I do have a small head and I do like for more of my hairline to show. So I'm going to fold the headband on the actual wig cap back, and plus when I apply a headband on top of it, I don't want the black, the black headband to show. But look at this hair. It is gorgeous. It's beautiful. The waves are popping, and this is right out of the package. You guys know I like to go in and co-wash my hair, or do some kind of pre-styling to it before I actually style it and put it on my head. But this didn't need anything, straight out of the package. It looks good. I can run my fingers through it. Because I do have a small head, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it's extra secure by putting bobby pins in back. And look at that, I am done. There's nothing left to do but put a headband on. So these are the two headbands that was sent. I'm just going to go ahead and try on the orange one. It's slightly bigger. And it looks really cute with this color. I wish this was the color that I was wearing today because I would definitely keep this headband on because I really like how it looked. The hair is so soft and silky, but it doesn't have like that baby doll feel to it. Really cute. Because I did just take it out the package, I'm going to go in and add a little bit of oil just to smooth all the frizziness at the ends. And I'm just going to spray that in my hand and rub it through the hair. And that is all I did for styling. This hair is easy. The color is beautiful. The hair texture is beautiful. This is right out the package and go hair. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the finished look. Change up my headband a couple times. And this is it. If you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you guys go check out UNice. They have other wigs. I have reviewed them before. They have great quality hair in my opinion. If you tried UNice before, let me know in the description, in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, all that good stuff. I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.